This is the complete guide to Canva AI, the AI design suite built into the world's most popular visual platform with over 170 million users. Canva AI is not a separate product. It is woven into every part of Canva, from generating a full design from a prompt to writing your copy, editing your photos, creating images and video, resizing for every platform, translating into 100 languages, and publishing directly to your social channels. By the end of this video you will know every Canva AI feature, how to create a full social media campaign with AI, how Magic Switch saves hours of reformatting work, how Brand Voice makes all your AI written content sound like you, how Canva compares to Adobe, Figma AI, and Microsoft Designer, every pricing plan, and the real workflows creators and businesses are running with it right now. Let us get into it. Canva was founded in 2013 by Melanie Perkins in Australia and has grown into the world's most widely used visual design platform, with over 170 million users and a valuation of around $26 billion. What makes Canva AI different from other AI design tools is that the AI is not a separate product you switch to. It is built directly into every part of the Canva interface. The AI suite is called the Magic Tools, and it covers design generation, writing, image creation, video, photo editing, resizing, translation, and brand management. Canva's foundation of over 250,000 templates gives the AI a huge library to work from when generating new designs. When you use Magic Design, the AI picks a template, customizes it to your prompt, applies your brand colors and fonts, and delivers a finished design. Magic Write handles the text inside that design, generating headlines, body copy, and captions. And Magic Media generates images and short video clips from text descriptions, directly inside the Canva editor. Let me walk through every major Canva AI feature in the Magic Suite. Magic Design, type a description of what you need and Canva generates a complete design with layout, colors, fonts, and imagery. Magic Write, an AI writing assistant inside every Canva design. Generate first drafts, rewrite for tone, shorten for social, or expand for email. Magic Media, text-to-image and text-to-video generation built into the Canva editor. Describe an image or video clip and it appears on your canvas ready to use. Magic Edit, AI photo editing for removing unwanted objects, replacing backgrounds, and erasing distractions from photos. Magic Switch, the biggest time-saving feature. Resize and reformat any design for every platform simultaneously in one click. Magic Translate, translate any design into over 100 languages and the layout adapts automatically to fit the new text. Magic Animate, apply animation to any design element with one click, no knowledge of animation required. And Magic Expand, extend the canvas of any image in any direction and AI fills the new area with contextually matching content. Let me go deeper on Magic Design and Magic Media, because these are the two features that change how non-designers produce content. Magic Design starts from a prompt. Type what you need: a social post about a product launch, a presentation on quarterly results, a flyer for an event, and Canva selects the most relevant template from its library of 250,000. It then customizes the layout, applies your brand kit colors and fonts, and generates 8 different design variations for you to choose from. The whole process takes under 30 seconds. Magic Media is the image and video generation layer. Describe an image in words and Canva generates it inside the editor. Photorealistic, illustrated, or artistic styles are all available. Short video clips can be generated the same way. Magic Grab lets you isolate the subject of any photo from its background with one click. Magic Morph applies textures, styles, and visual effects to text and shapes. And Bulk Create is a feature that most users never discover. Connect a spreadsheet to a template and Canva generates hundreds of personalized designs automatically, one per row, ready to download or publish. Here is how to get started with Canva AI from scratch. Step 1. Go to canva.com and create a free account. Google, email, or Apple login. Magic Design and Magic Write are both included on the free plan. Step 2. Click Create a Design. Choose a standard format from the list or type a custom description and let Canva suggest the right format. Step 3. Use Magic Design. Click the sparkle icon and type a description of the design you need. Canva generates 8 variations instantly. Step 4. Set up your brand kit before you do anything else. Go to Settings, then Brand Kit, and upload your logo, colors, and fonts. From that point on, AI uses your brand automatically in every design. Step 5. Select the variation you like and customize the text using Magic Write. Click any text element, then the Magic Write icon to generate new copy or rewrite what is there. Step 6. Add or replace images using Magic Media. Describe the image you need and AI generates it directly on the canvas. Step 7. Use Magic Switch to resize the finished design for every platform. Click Resize, select all the platform formats you need, and Canva generates all versions simultaneously. Here is how to create a complete social media campaign using Canva AI from start to published post. Step 1. Open Magic Design and describe the campaign theme. Include the product, the season, the tone, and any visual direction. The more specific your prompt, the closer the first generation is to what you need. Step 2. Pick the best variation from the 8 options and apply your brand kit so it instantly looks on brand. Step 3. Use Magic Write to generate captions for each post. Select the text area, click Magic Write, choose your tone, and generate. Refine until the copy sounds like you. Step 4. Generate campaign images with Magic Media that match the visual theme of the design. Describe the image using the same tone and style language as your prompt. Step 5. Use Magic Switch to create every platform format from the hero design. One finished design becomes Instagram Square, Instagram Story, Facebook Post, LinkedIn Banner, and Twitter Header in one click. Step 6. If the campaign runs in multiple languages, use Magic Translate to translate and reflow all formats automatically. Step 7. Connect your social accounts to Canva's Content Planner and schedule every post for every platform without leaving Canva. Magic Switch is the Canva AI feature that saves the most time for anyone producing content across multiple social platforms. The traditional workflow for multi-platform content is painful. Create the design once, then manually copy, resize, and reposition every element for each platform format. That process takes 30 to 60 minutes per design for 8 platform formats. Magic Switch eliminates that entirely. You finish the hero design, click Resize in the top menu, select every platform format you need from the list, and Canva generates all of them simultaneously. The AI adapts the layout for each canvas size rather than just scaling the design down. Instagram post, story, LinkedIn banner, Facebook post, Twitter header, YouTube thumbnail, and Pinterest pin all generated in under 60 seconds. The practical tip: always review each format after switching. AI adapts the layout intelligently, but text that fits an Instagram post may need trimming for a Twitter header, and an image that looks great as a square may need repositioning for a 16:9 banner. The review takes 2 minutes. The alternative takes an hour. Canva AI for presentations is one of the most complete no-prompt required slide deck generators available. You describe your presentation topic and Canva generates the full deck, slides, layouts, visual hierarchy, and content, not just a blank template with headings. Magic Write fills each slide with relevant copy generated from your prompt. You get section headers, bullet points, and supporting text that you then edit and refine rather than write from scratch. Presenter notes are generated automatically for every slide, giving you talking points without additional effort. Smart animations apply motion to each slide element without needing to configure timing or easing manually. The finished presentation exports as a PowerPoint file for sharing, as a PDF for printing, or you present live from Canva with a built-in speaker view that shows your notes. For teams that produce a lot of presentations, Canva Docs lets you connect a written document to a presentation so the slide deck updates as the document evolves. Brand Kit and Brand Voice are the Canva AI features that make every other AI feature work better for your specific brand. Brand Kit stores your logo, color palette, and approved fonts. Every time you use Magic Design or any other AI feature, Canva pulls from your Brand Kit automatically so generated designs are on brand from the first generation. Brand Voice goes a step further. You define how your brand communicates, the formality level, the personality, the words it uses and avoids. Every piece of copy generated by Magic Write then reflects that voice rather than generic AI output. Agencies managing multiple clients can set up separate brand kits for each client and switch between them when working on different accounts. Teams and enterprise plans add brand controls that let administrators lock approved fonts and colors organization-wide, ensuring every team member generates on-brand content even without design experience. The practical benefit: a marketing team of 10 people all generating AI content produces consistent, on-brand output without a designer reviewing every piece. Who gets the most value from Canva AI? Social media managers are the highest value users. Magic Switch lets them produce content for every platform from a single design, dramatically reducing the time spent on reformatting. Small business owners use Canva AI to produce professional-looking materials without hiring a designer or learning design software. Marketing teams use Magic Design and Bulk Create to generate campaign assets at a pace that traditional design workflows cannot match. Content creators use Canva for thumbnails, social posts, and branded templates that make their output look consistent and professional. HR and internal communications teams use Canva to produce internal presentations, policy documents, and team announcements. Educators use Canva to create teaching materials, worksheets, and slide decks quickly and without design training. And nonprofit organizations use Canva's free tools and nonprofit plan to produce fundraising materials and event promotions without a design budget. Here is what people are actually building with Canva AI right now. A social media manager produces 30 platform-specific posts per week from 3 hero designs using Magic Switch, cutting their production time in half. A small business owner designs their entire brand identity, logo concepts, color palette, social templates, and business card, using Magic Design in a single afternoon. A marketing team generates 500 personalized event invitations via Bulk Create, connecting a spreadsheet of attendee names to a template, generating every version in minutes. An educator creates a 20-slide lesson deck with full presenter notes using Magic Design for presentations in under 10 minutes. A content creator uses AI to generate all their YouTube thumbnails with a consistent visual brand identity across hundreds of videos. An HR team uses Magic Translate to localize the employee handbook into 12 languages with layouts that adapt automatically. An agency manages 20 separate client brand kits and delivers on-brand AI-generated content for each client without manual design review. And a nonprofit produces a fundraising campaign in 4 languages using Canva's free plan, reaching a global audience with zero design budget. Here is the honest comparison. Versus Adobe Firefly, Canva is an all-in-one design, write, and publish platform. Firefly has commercial indemnification for AI images and deeper Creative Cloud integration. Versus Adobe Express, Canva has significantly more AI features and a larger template library. Express has tighter integration with the Adobe ecosystem if you already use Creative Cloud. Versus Microsoft Designer, Canva has more mature brand kit features and better team controls. Microsoft Designer integrates more deeply inside Office 365 and Teams. Versus Figma AI, Canva is dramatically more accessible for non-designers. Figma leads on developer handoff, interactive prototyping, and design systems. Versus Google Slides AI, Canva has a far broader design suite and the full Magic Toolkit. Google Slides integrates natively with Google Workspace and is free for Drive users. Versus PixArt AI, Canva includes content scheduling and multi-platform publishing. PixArt has deeper photo editing filters and effects for image-focused creators. The honest summary: Canva AI is the best choice for non-designers, small teams, and anyone who needs to design and publish across multiple platforms from a single tool. 8 tips that consistently improve Canva AI output. 1. Set up your brand kit before you use any AI feature. Every generation will automatically reflect your brand identity from that point forward without any manual adjustment. 2. Write specific prompts. Include the industry, the target audience, the tone, and visual style direction. A specific prompt produces a much more usable first generation. 3. Always generate all 8 Magic Design variations before choosing. The best result is rarely the first one displayed. 4. Use Magic Switch before you do any heavy customization. Switching platforms after significant manual editing causes the AI to redo your changes. Switch first, then customize. 5. Choose a tone in Magic Write before generating copy. Casual, professional, or persuasive. Selecting the tone first saves editing time. 6. Use Bulk Create for personalized materials at scale. Invitations, certificates, name badges, and personalized social posts all work beautifully from a spreadsheet. 7. Provide more sample pieces when setting up brand voice. 10 samples teach the AI your tone more accurately than 2. 8. Connect your social accounts and use the content planner. Design, write, and schedule in one session without switching tools. Canva AI pricing. The free plan includes Magic Design, Magic Write, and a limited monthly allocation of Magic credits for AI-generated images and other premium AI features. It is a genuinely capable free tier for individuals who use Canva occasionally. Canva Pro is $15 per month and includes every AI feature with unlimited Magic credits, 1 TB of storage, the full brand kit, background remover, and Magic Switch. For anyone using Canva as a regular tool for work, Pro is the right plan and the most significant upgrade from free. Canva Teams is $10 per person per month with a minimum of 3 people. It includes everything in Pro plus team brand controls, shared brand kits across the team, and administrative management tools. For small marketing teams, Teams is more cost-effective than individual Pro plans and adds the brand governance features that keep team output consistent. Enterprise is custom-priced and adds SSO, advanced brand governance across large organizations, and dedicated customer support. My recommendation: start free to learn the platform. Upgrade to Pro immediately if you need unlimited AI credits and the brand kit. Move to Teams when more than one person needs to share brand assets. Here is everything you need. Start at canva.com, a free account, Magic Design and Magic Write both included, no card required. Upgrade to Pro at $15 per month for unlimited AI credits, the full brand kit, and Magic Switch. Move to Teams at $10 per person when your team needs shared brand kits and brand controls. Both available at canva.com/pricing. If you are already in the Adobe ecosystem, Adobe Express at adobe.com/express is worth comparing. Link in the description. All links are below. If this guide helped you understand what Canva AI can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI creative tool every week. Now set up your brand kit and try Magic Design. See you in the next one.